So thank you for waiting so much. Thank you for all your cooperation. Let's start with the session. Let's not wait more time now. And let's start studying. Okay. God bless you. God bless you. Chalo. So students, my name is Rishi Singla. I have been teaching since last 18 years, taught and mentored thousands of students, including All India rank 1, 4, 6, 7, 9, and many more such ranks. I hope you do super good in your exam. Today we will study for maths board exam. Okay, I will make sure do some assertion reason questions, then some case based questions, and then some miscellaneous questions of different chapters. Okay, all ready to go? Yes, let's move ahead. Chalo. This was the question which we started with but could not finish because of some voice lag. Let's finish it now quickly. Jaldi se finish karte hain, okay? fx equals to log of 1 plus x minus 2x upon 2 plus x. We have to tell whether this function is increasing or decreasing, and in reason it has been mentioned about range of this domain of this function. Reason में इस function की domain के बारे में बात की गई है. So let's see. Okay. So domain of this function, let's first check domain only. For log 1 plus x must be greater than 0. This implies x should be greater than minus. So domain of this function is belongs to minus 1 to infinity, which is perfectly okay. Okay, domain of this function is x belongs to minus 1 to infinity, hence reason is correct. So option C, which says that reason is incorrect, is wrong. Reason is perfectly correct. Domain is minus 1 to infinite. Now f dash x, to tell about whether this function is increasing or decreasing, we need to find f dash. If f dash x is positive, function is increasing. F dash x is negative, then function is decreasing. Okay. So what is f dash x? 1 upon 1 plus x minus denominator whole square, 2 plus x whole square, denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator. Rest you can take the LCM and simplify. Will you be able to take the LCM and simplify? Come on everyone, do it yourself. Take LCM and simplify. Come on, you are not here to just watch the session. You should solve all these questions with me. Only then this will be very beneficial for you. Okay? Your teachers are making so much of effort. Shreyas sir specially called me at night and asked me, sir, can you take a session? So obviously if he can put so much of effort, you can also put the same effort. Yes? Come on. Bacho. After simplifying, let's see what will we get. Wait. No, this is not the correct slide. After simplifying, we will get x upon 2 plus x whole square into 1 upon x plus 1. Now this is positive. Why is this positive? Come on everyone, tell me why is this expression positive? Because of whole square. Whole square can never be negative. And we know that it is greater than minus 1. So x plus 1 is also positive. So this expression is also positive. Which means that positive into positive, positive. Hence f dash x is always positive. You can simplify. You will get that f dash x is positive. Hence this function is increasing function. So assertion is correct or incorrect? Read the question carefully and tell me assertion correct or incorrect. It says that this function is decreasing. Assertion says that this function is decreasing, which is incorrect. So answer is assertion incorrect, reason correct. Assertion incorrect, reason correct. Okay, let's Assertion is incorrect, reason is correct. Option D. See carefully, assertion incorrect, reason correct. Okay, so let's do next. Domain of secant inverse 2x. Domain of secant inverse 2x. Now, students, this is something that you need to learn. I hope you have learned till now that domain of secant inverse fx is fx should lie between, either fx should be less than or equal to -1, or fx should be greater than or equal to. Secant inverse cannot have any number which lie between -1 and 1. Secant inverse of anything, so this value should either be greater than 1 or it should be less than -1. For secant inverse 2x, 2x should be less than -1, less than or equal to -1, or 2x should be greater than or equal to 1, should be less than or equal to -half, or come on, see this, which means domain is -infinite to -half, union half to infinite. Come on, yes sir, give me a loud yes. Understood? Domain of secant inverse 2x. Easy, just 1 mark question it is. Let's not waste more time. So, second thing, reason secant inverse -2 is -π/4, which is perfectly wrong. Why? वो सब कुछ गलत है. Secant inverse always lies between 0 to pi. Secant inverse x always lies between 0 to pi except pi by 2. This is the range of secant inverse. It can never be negative. Secant inverse can never be negative. So reason is incorrect. Reason incorrect है. R is false. A is true. Option C. R is false. A is true. Assertion is true. Reason is incorrect. Correct? Yes sir. चलो आगे बढ़ेंगे. बच्चों को बोर लग रहा है. हरे कृष्णा. बच्चों इट्स सीखने के लिए बैठे हो आप, बोर होने के लिए नहीं. कम ऑन, कम ऑन, कम ऑन. नाउ डू दिस क्वेश्चन योरसेल्फ. Do you remember the properties of adjoint and properties of modulus of adjoint? Yeah. These are the two very important properties which we will be using in this question. First property, adjoint of adjoint A. Adjoint of adjoint A. Who will tell me? It is determinant A raised to power n minus 1 into A. Adjoint of adjoint A is determinant A raised to power n minus 1, where n is order, into A. What is the order given? Order is given to be 2. So because n is 2, adjoint of adjoint A, determinant A raised to power 2 minus 1 into A, which is determinant A into A. अरे ये तो wrong है. It should be determinant A into A. Absolutely wrong. Wrong है? Yes? Is this wrong? Assertion is wrong. Assertion is wrong. Assertion is wrong. Only one option contains assertion is wrong. That is option D. So answer is option D. है ना? Only one option contains assertion is wrong. That is option D. Hence answer is D. By the way, reason भी सीख लेते हैं. Determinant of adjoint A होता है क्या होता है? Determinant of adjoint A बताओ, आप खुद बताओ. Come on, tell me. रुको रुको रुको, ये तो कुछ गड़बड़ हो गई. रुको 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 रुको, there was some error happened. Wait. Assertion तो correct है. Determine adjoint of adjoint. Let me do again. Adjoint of adjoint. क्या कर रहा हूं मैं? It is determinant a raised to power n minus 2 into a. Adjoint of adjoint is determinant a raised to power n minus 2 into a. N is 2. So adjoint of adjoint a here is determinant a raised to power 0 into a, which is a. Sorry, I applied the wrong formula. Determinant a raised to power n minus 2 into a, which is determinant a raised to power 0 into a, that is a only, adjoint of adjoint a. And determinant of adjoint a is determinant a raised to power n minus 1. Put n equals to 2, which is, applying that, what do you get? Assertion is also correct, reason is also correct, but reason is not the correct explanation. Both are correct, but reason is not the correct explanation. Okay, both are correct. Assertion and reason are correct, but reason is not the correct explanation. Option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. Okay, learn both the formulae. Formulae are important. These will be useful in both, whether it be JEE Main or it be CBSE. दोनों में काम आएंगे. Come on, learn this formulae. Don't forget, okay? I keep on forgetting, but I don't have to give the paper. You have to give the paper, so you do not forget. Okay? X is 80 square, y is 280. Do you remember which curve is this? You have studied it in 11th class. Come on, tell me which curve. This is 80 square, y is 280. 80 square, 280. Come on. This is parabola. 80 square, 280 is parabola. Now, parametric curve. For parametric curve, dy by dx, for parametric curve, dy by dx is always equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. dy by dt divided by dx by dt. What is dy by dt? 2a. What is dx by dt? Derivative of 80 square, 280. So dy by dx is equal to 2a upon 280, that is 1 by t. dy by dx is 1 by t. But learn this, very important, d square y by dx square is never equal to d square y by dt square divided by d square x by dt square. This is always wrong. So reason तो wrong है. D square y double derivative में you cannot directly divide, but in single derivative you can directly divide. Okay, double derivative you cannot directly divide. In single derivative you can directly divide. Okay, so reason is wrong. First thing, reason is wrong. Reason correct है. Reason correct है. Reason correct है. All answer is C, by the way, because reason is wrong. Now how to find double derivative? D square y by dx square. It is d by dx of dy by dx, which is, now apply chain rule, it is d by dt of dy by dx into dx by dt. Oh, sorry, into dt by dx. dt dt will cancel. Can you understand this step? Very important. So it is d by dt of 1 by t into dt by dx, that is 1 upon dx by dt. What is dx by dt here? 280. So dt by dx will be 1 by 280 minus 1 by t square into 1 by 280. This is the answer, minus 1 by 280 cube, जो कि यहाँ पर correct, incorrect. Got it? So what you have to understand is, in single derivative you can directly divide for parametric, like dy by dx is dy by dt divided by dx by dt, but in double derivative you cannot do it. Okay, in single derivative, so thing is what you have to learn, dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. This is correct. But d square y by dx square, d square y by dt square divided by d square x by dt square, this is incorrect. This is incorrect. So simple सी चीज है. In single derivative you can directly divide, in double derivative you cannot directly divide. I hope you have understood. Come on, yes sir, give me a note. Everyone sit straight. Your spine should be straight and keep on solving. Okay, don't just look at what I am doing. You have to solve all these questions by yourself. I am just acting as an help to you. Come on, do this. Come on, do this. उपेंद्र y का रीजन नहीं है ना. लेट्स नॉट टॉक गो इनटू y's right now. This is not the right time to go into y's of all this. No, after some time we will go into case studies questions also. Okay, we will do 2-3 more assertion reasons, then we will do case study. Come on, I hope you remember this integration. What formula will be used? You remember the formula? Formula we will be using is integral dx upon x square minus a square is 1 by 2a log of mod of x minus a upon x plus a plus constant of integration. So here this formula written is incorrect, hence the reason is incorrect, hence the answer is C, because only one answer has reason incorrect. Only one answer has reason incorrect. You can clearly see answer is C. आंसर तो मिल गया. यस, जय माता दी. या सर, आंसर इज डन. नाउ हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस? बाय कंप्लीटिंग द होल स्क्वायर. होल स्क्वायर कंप्लीट करना आता है. टेक 4 कॉमन. x square minus 6 by 4 which is 3 by 2 into x plus 1 by 4. Now 3 by 4 whole square you add and subtract. Rest is just simple, है ना. Apply the formula after. Apply the formula after. Okay, so easy. Let me show you what's the solution. Again 6 by 4 which is 3 by 2. So 3 by 4 whole square you add and subtract. This will come out to be 4 times square minus 3 by 2x plus 3 by 4 whole square plus 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4. After this it comes out to be this. Okay, so integration is 1 by 4 times dx upon x minus 3 by 4 whole square minus root 5 by, that is root 5 by 2 का whole square. dx upon x square minus a square 1 by 2a log of mod of x plus same expression. Okay, let's move ahead. Come on, let's move ahead. Read the question. This question is of chapter Differential Equation. This question is of chapter differential equation. Which kind of differential equation is this? Come on everyone, quick, quick, quick. Don't waste time. Tell me which kind of differential equation is this? Which kind of differential equation is this? Linear differential equation. Perfect, linear differential equation. So first we make the coefficient of dx by dy 1. First we make the coefficient of dx by dy 1 by dividing by dx 1 minus y square. So dx by dy plus y upon 1 minus y square into x equals to ay upon 1 minus y square. This is perfectly correct. Now integrating factor will be e raised to power integral p, that is y upon 1 minus y square dy. Because this is differential equation, here independent variable is y and dependent variable is x. Integrating factor will be e raised to power integral y upon 1 minus y square dy. How to integrate y upon 1 minus y square? Multiply and divide by minus 2. Let's do this. Y upon 1 minus y square ko how to solve? Multiply and divide by minus 2. So put 1 minus y square as t. Orally minus 2y dy is dt. So this becomes minus half times dt by t. That is minus half log t. That is minus half log of 1 minus y square, which is log of 1 by under root of 1 minus y square. Log of 1 minus under root of 1 minus y square. Hence integrating factor becomes e raised to power log of 1 by square root of 1 minus y square. Here integrating factor comes out to be under root of 1 minus y. Clear hai? Here integrating factor comes out to be square root of 1 minus y square, which is perfectly correct. So dx by dy plus p1x equals to q1. Integrating factor will be e raised to power integral p1 into dy, which is perfect. Both assertion and reason are correct, and reason is the correct explanation also. Both assertion and reason are correct, and reason is the correct explanation also. Yes, are you able to solve? Come on, give a pat on your back if you have done correct. Come on, everyone, do it. Yes, yes, I will get full marks. Feel the positive energy. Full marks. Okay, let's read this question. Read this question. If I tell you whole, everything combined, this question is of application of derivatives. This question is of application of derivatives. How we will see? Read the question carefully. The government declares that farmers can get 300 rupees per quintal for their onions on 1st of July. If they give their onions late, now after that the price will be decreased by rupees 3 per quintal every day. So if they give their onions on 2nd July, price will be 297. If they give their onion on 3rd July, price will be 294 rupees per quintal, and so on. Okay, quintal means 100 kg. What is quintal? Quintal means 100 kg. Okay, so price keeps on decreasing. No, but what happens is on 1st July, sham yield is 80 quintal. 1st July, sham yield of onions is 80 quintal. 80 into 100, that is 8000 kg. But what happens is after every day, onion keep on growing. They keep on growing more and bigger. So yield increases. After every day, yield increase by what? 1 quintal per day. That is on 2nd July, yield will be 81 quintals. On 3rd July, yield will be 82 quintals, and so. Okay. Now, what we have to find? Let's see the question. If X is the number of days after 1st July, okay, what will be the price and quantity of onions? Perfect. after X days, price will be 300 minus 3 into X, because after every 1 day price decreases by rupees 3. After X days, price will decrease by 3 into X, and quantity will be 80 plus X. So what will be the total revenue after X days? Revenue will be 300 minus 3x into 80 plus X. This is clear? Price 300 minus 3x, quantity 80 plus X. Revenue will be product of both, price into quantity. Perfect. Let's move ahead. Revenue will be 300 minus 3x into 80 plus X. Why I'm telling you revenue? Because in next question revenue is asked. Sorry. Question कहाँ गया? Question by chance miss हो गया. Okay. What revenue after this? What can be the next question? Next question will be tell the revenue. Revenue we have already calculated. 300 minus 3x into 80 plus x. What will be the maximum revenue? If someone asks you, when will you get the maximum revenue? Better revenue means, Upendra, price into quantity. By 1 kg, 100 kg, then 1 quintal, then for 1 quintal revenue will be 300, है ना? Say for 3, this is price. Let me give you some example. If price of onion is, say price is 5 rupees per kg, and you buy 3 kg, okay, what will be the cost? 5 into 3, 15. Similarly, now we know that price is 300 minus 3x and quantity is 80 plus x. Revenue will be product of. The question here is, what you have to tell me is, what will be the maximum revenue and when will we get that maximum revenue? What will be the maximum revenue and when will we get that maximum? Come on, do it. Differentiation. Use derivatives to find what is the maximum revenue and when will we get that maximum revenue. So, if I am writing revenue by R, dr by dx. Can I simplify R by multiplying, which is 24,000 minus 240x plus 300x. 300 minus 240 plus 60x minus 3x square. This is revenue. What is dr by dx? It is 60 minus 6x. What is double derivative? So concave down, hence whatever we will get, that will be point of maxima. Put for maxima, dr by dx equals to 0, which implies 60 minus 6x equals to 0, 6x equals to 60, x equals to 10. So maximum revenue we will get after 10 days. Maximum revenue we will get after 10 days. And what will be that maximum revenue? 300 minus 30, that is 270 into 90. 270 into 90 will be the maximum revenue. 24300. Is my calculation correct? Come on, come on, come on. Tell me. Beta 300x minus 240x, it will be 60x only. उपेंद्र, वो करेक्ट है बेटा। Aditya, you have done everything correct, but in the end some calculation you have done wrong, hence your maximum revenue is coming out to be wrong. Rest all is correct. Got it? Either you can put here for maximum revenue or you can put X here, कहीं पर भी डाल. Let's move ahead. Let's move ahead. Let's not stop. Huh? Let's not slow down. This we have already done. One more assertion reason question. This was given in sample paper. Have you done sample paper? Have you guys done sample paper? Important हो जाता है बच्चों. So acute angle between r vector this and x-axis. R vector and x-axis means very good. R vector and I cap. So angle between r vector and I cap. First, let's check assertion. Theta will be, your cos theta will be r dot I upon mod r. Mod I is already 1. What is r dot I? 1. What is mod r? Mod r is under root of 1 plus 1. Okay. Sorry. First we have to simplify r. R is lambda plus 1 into I cap plus 1 minus lambda into j cap plus 2 k cap. Sorry, write r properly. Now find angle. Cos theta is r dot I upon mod r. R dot I upon mod r. What is r dot I? Lambda plus. What is mod r? Under root of lambda plus 1 whole square plus lambda minus 1 whole square plus 4. Okay, theta is given to be pi by 4. No? ये हमें चेक करना है क्या थीटा पाई बाय 4 आ रहा है. lambda square 2 lambda square plus 2 lambda minus 2 lambda cancel plus 1 plus 1 plus 4 plus 6. Cos theta comes out to be this. Angle between this and x-axis is pi by 4. Is this correct? No. Angle will depend on lambda. Angle will depend on lambda. Tell me yes or no. है ना? Angle will depend on lambda. Assertion is incorrect. Assertion is incorrect. Angle between r and x-axis is pi by 4. R dot I हमने किया lambda plus 1 upon this, which is lambda plus 1 whole square plus 1 minus lambda whole square plus k का square 4, which is assertion is incorrect. Yes, you can just take the direction ratio. That is also assertion wrong. Reason: acute angle between these two lines, okay, is given by this. Perfect. Acute. These are the direction ratios. Acute angle between two lines is the acute angle between the direction ratios. That is cos theta is a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 का mod upon under root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into under root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. So reason is perfect. Assertion incorrect, reason correct. Assertion incorrect, reason correct. Got it? Yes. Yes, sir. Give me yes, sir, loud. Sorry. Sorry, I'm so sorry. I'm so damn sorry. Assertion is correct. You guys are correct. Because here this is a line. Here to find angle, we have to just take direction ratio. Direction ratio of first line is 1 minus 1 0. So angle with x-axis is I minus j dot I upon square root of 2 into 1. I minus j dot I is 1 by root 2. Theta is 45 degree only. Assertion is also correct. Reason is also correct. Sorry, I was thinking something else. I took this as vector, not as line. I took this as vector, not as line. ध्यान नहीं दिया वो line लिखा है. This word line I forgot. I took this as vector. This is the line. Line में direction ratios is है ना I minus j. So angle between this line and x-axis, that is direction ratio of line and I cap. I minus j dot I upon square root of 2 into 1. Theta is pi by 4. This is correct. This we have already done. $10 days, maximum revenue, everything is done. Let's move ahead. Question on matrices. Question on matrices. 3 schools, DPS, CBSE, KVS. These are 3 schools. They decided to organize a fair, okay, for collection of money, helping the flood victims, okay. They sold fans, mats and plates from recycled items. Cost of fans is 25. फैंस का कॉस्ट है 25, मैट्स का है 100, प्लेट्स का है 50. Number of articles sold are given like this. Number of articles sold are given like this. So money collected by DPS. How much money DPS collected? Simple. It is, you can also write it like this: 25, 100, 50 into 40, 50, 20. A row matrix into a column matrix, or you can directly do it is 20 into 25 into 40 plus 100 into 50 plus 20 into, this will be the total money collected by DPS. Similarly, total money collected by CBSE you can find. Similarly, total money collected by KVS you can find. Will you be able to do 1000 plus 5000 plus 1000? Total money collected by DPS. Same way you can write total money collected by other schools also. Got it? Are you able to understand this matrix way? Row matrix into a column matrix. Row matrix into a column matrix. Let's move ahead. KVS, TPS ka total money collected 7000. We have already done. Rest can be done in the same way. Let's not waste time on easy questions. Let's do a case-based question on determinants. Case-based question on determinants. Determinants is the important topic. Let's do case-based question. A farmer has some quadrilateral field. Okay. If we connect everything, you will see a quadrilateral field. Something like this. ऐसा कुछ field है. Okay. But what he do is he divides to find the area. Because area of triangle is easy to find, he divides it into triangles. No issues. And for triangle, area of triangle is half into determinant of x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1 का modulus. Clear? हाफ इंटू डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1 का मॉडुलस. Now let's see how to use. What is the area of triangular field having these three vertices? Area of triangular field having these three vertices. You remember the formula? Area will be, first let's find this determinant. x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. Either you can open directly or you can make some zeros. So what I will do is I will make some zeros. How? R1 goes to R1 minus R2. First let's apply R1 goes to R1 minus R2, minus 3 minus 1 0. Now let's apply R2 goes to R2 minus R2. So this will be minus 4 2 0 6 1 1. Now open using third column. Open using third column. It will be minus 6 minus 4, that is minus 10. 1 into minus 6 minus 4, that is minus 10. This is the value of this determinant. This is the value of this determinant. Okay, now let's find area of triangle. Area of triangle is half into magnitude of this determinant, that is half into modulus of minus 10, that is half into 10, that is 5. Area. First find the determinant, then half into modulus of magnitude of determinant. Understood? Yes? Perfectly correct. Very good. Are you doing it yourself? Children, sit straight, focus and do it yourself. And whenever you are able to do a question correctly, give a pat on your back. That gives you confidence. Exams are always about confidence, not about knowledge. Okay? Exams are always about confidence. Perfect. And the same confidence, why I'm telling you all this same confidence of boards, because you have done chemistry paper good, then you have done physics paper good, then you are doing math paper superbly good, you prepared for all the papers. This will translate into JEE. This knowledge, this understanding of basics and this confidence will translate into JEE, and you will do superbly good in JEE if you have that confidence. Okay? Keep that confidence like this. Keep your fist closed, and whenever you do question, give a pat on back. Let's move ahead. Triangle here is 5. One more question on the same formula. What is the area of triangle? ये तो हमने कर लिया 5 है. If these 3 points are collinear, for 3 points to be collinear, determinant has to be 0. Area of triangle 0. For points to be collinear, area of triangle to be 0. Area 0 means determinant 0. You want me to open directly? You want me to open directly or apply properties? चलो प्रॉपर्टी अप्लाई करते हैं. प्रॉपर्टी अप्लाई करते हैं. Let's do it like R3 goes to R3 minus R1 and R2 goes to R2 minus R1. R3 में से भी R1, R2 में से भी R1, subtract. So this will be K minus 2, 2, 0, R3 minus R1 minus 2, 7, 0, 2, minus 3, 1. Now let's open it using third column. Let's open it using third column. So 7 into K minus 2 minus 4 equals to 0. 7K minus 14 plus 4 equals to 0. 7K equals to 10. K equals to 10 by 7. For these 3 triangles points, to make a collinear, to make a line, Determinant must be 0, k must be equal to 10 by 7. Yes, sir. Come on, very good. Those who have done correct, again give a pat on your back. Say, yes, I'm doing very good. I will do correct. No, your teachers have worked superbly hard. You know, I'm just here with you for a day, but I believe that you will do super good. You keep on working. You have got 3 days on your hands. Let's not waste any single day and keep on working. Okay. Area of triangle, this is 3. Area 3 है. Area of triangle is 3. That is half into determinant का modulus 3 है. Half into modulus of this determinant is 3. That is modulus of determinant is 6. That is determinant must be equal to plus minus 6. Whatever determinant that is, that must be equal to plus 6 or minus 6. Let's find what is value of this determinant. 0, 0, 1, k 0, 1, 1, 3, 1. Open using first row. This is 3k only. First row. 1 into 3k. Easy ho gaya. So 3k is equals to plus minus 6. K must be equal to plus minus 2. For these 3 points, to make a triangle with area 3 square units, k must be equal to plus minus 2. Here, one of the values we have been asked, that is 2. Out of these 2 values, one of the values have been asked, that is equal to 2. Okay. Why I showed you this question like this? Because this is important. Similar can be asked in JEE, where you have to understand half into determinant ka modulus is the area. People forget this modulus. Because of this modulus, you will get 2 answers. K is plus 2 or minus 2. Because modulus of determinant is 6, determinant can be plus 6 or minus 2 answers. Okay, don't forget these 2 answers. JEE also you can get the similar question. Plus minus 2, perfect. Can you make the equation of straight line using this determinant? Wow, lovely question. Can you make the equation of straight line using this determinant? Now understand. For 3 points to be collinear, let's assume third point to be x comma y. Can I assume third point to be x comma y? Perfect. For 3 points to be collinear, determinant must be 0, x, y, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 5, 1. This determinant must be equal to 0. Okay. R3 goes to R3 minus R2 कर देता हूँ. This will ease this equation down a little bit. Now let's open it. Let's open it directly. कर दूं open? Let's open it direct. X into 0 minus 4 minus y into 0 minus 1 plus 1 into 8 minus 1 must be equal to 0. So minus 4x plus y plus 7 equal to 0. So 4x equals to y plus 7. 4x equals to y plus 7, or 4x minus y equals to 7. One and the same thing, option A. 4x minus y equals to 7. 4x minus y equals to 7. Come on, if you have done correct, say Jai Mata Di. Stand up and do 5 jumps. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, yes. Sit down straight with spine straight and start again. Very important. You should keep your body and mind moving. Sometimes you get stuck. Okay? then close your eyes, do your spine straight and think, yes, I can do it, and come on, again start it. Okay? These are some little tricks which help you get out of the negative zone. Sometimes you get into that. Okay, whenever you are doing exam, you get stuck, straighten your spine, close your eyes, take a deep breath. Yes, I can do it, then start again. Believe me, you will be able to solve the question. Now, it's not about knowledge. You have enough knowledge. You have been studying since last 2 years, which is a lot of big time. It's just that your mind sometimes not working correctly. You go into thoughts and you go into some bad zone. You have to come out of that zone. For that, the spine helps a lot. Okay, straighten your spine, clear up your mind, and then do again. Okay, let's cheer up, guys. Yes, Jai Mata Di. Next question. Lovely. 3D geometry. Direction cosines. If a line makes equal angles with coordinate axis, means alpha equal to beta equals to gamma. Coordinate axis, alpha equal to, angles with coordinate axis are same. So cos alpha equals to cos beta equals to cos gamma. Now we know that cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is always equal to 1. Direction cosines, अगर LMN है तो L square plus M square plus N square हमेशा 1 होता है. This you have to remember. But cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma equal है. So 3 cos square alpha is 1. Cos square alpha is 1 by 3. Cos alpha is plus minus 1 by square root 3. Hence direction cosines are plus minus 1 by square root 3, comma plus minus 1 by square root 3, comma plus minus 1 by square root 3. Yes, easy है. Very good, lovely. अगला क्वेश्चन खुद करोगे. I am not going to do. It's not about me, it's about you. ठीक है? Come on, do this question. Angle between two unit vectors, mod A 1 है. You are given that mod A is 1. आप खुद करोगे. I am just reading out the question loud. Mod A 1, mod B 1, mod of root 3a minus b is also 1. A unit vector, B unit vector, root 3a minus b is also unit vector. Come on. Come on, come on. I will give you a hint. Mod of root 3a minus b की वैल्यू होगी स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ root 3 mod a whole square plus mod b whole square minus 2 times root 3 times mod a mod b cos theta. Use this. This value is 1. This value mod a is 1, so 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3 cos theta. Square 1 equals to 4 minus 2 root 3 cos theta. So 2 root 3 cos theta equals to 3. Cos theta equals to 3 by 2 root 3. Root 3 cancel. Cos theta is root 3 by 2. Theta is pi by cos theta is root 3 by 2. Theta is pi by 6. If Priya, we will keep on doing questions. Whenever you get tired, you tell me, we will stop the session. Yes? Come on. It's not about me, it's about you. You don't have to just see the solution. I'm telling you again and again, you have to solve the questions along with me, even before me. 5 by 6 is the correct answer. How many of you could do this question properly and correctly yourself? Raise your hand. Yes, me, right? Me, sir, me, sir, me, sir. Lovely. God bless you. God bless you. Give a pat on your back. Yes, yes. You are on the right path. Vedantu students are always on the right path. You will do amazingly good. Let's solve this differential equation. Come on. Let's solve this differential equation. E raised to power y minus x into dy by dx equals to 1. Come on. Yes. E raised to power y minus x into dy by dx equals to 1. So what we have to do here is some function of y into dy equals to function of x, another function of x into dx. This is what you have to make. Come on, make this. Something into dy, function of y into dy equals to function of x into dx. Now, simple variable separable, then integrate. Come on. E raised to power y divided by e raised to power x is equals to into dy by dx equals to 1. E raised to power y dy equals to e raised to power x dx. Just integrate on both the sides. E raised to power y का integral e raised to power y, e raised to power x का integral e raised to power x plus constant of integration. We put constant of integration only on one side. Okay. So e raised to power y equals to e raised to power x plus c. Wow, lovely. You have done correct. Let's do next question. Next. Degree of differential equation. Come on. Tell me the degree of this differential equation. Correctly. Don't do the same mistake which lot of students do. Write your answers in chat box. Come on. Yes. Answers लिख दो बच्चों. Come on. See carefully and write your answer. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 options. 1, 2, 3, 4. अच्छा 4 भी नहीं है, not defined है. Answer is 1. Answer is 1. For those who did mistake, a small mistake, there are only few students who did a small mistake. Don't worry. Order is 2 because highest order of derivative is 2 only. Second order derivative है d square y by dx square. Why? Because d square y by dx square. This is highest order of derivative occurring in the equation. Shobha, I hope you have understood. Order is 2, not degree, beta. Now degree is power of highest order. Power of highest order. Perfect. Degree is power of highest order. Love you, bachcho. Love you. God bless you. No one can stop you. You just keep on doing correctly. No one can stop you. Come on. Make a Venn diagram. Make a Venn diagram and find these probabilities. While doing this, first find probability of A intersection B. This should be the first step. You will do question yourself. I will not do. First find probability of A intersection B. Think and find probability of A intersection B. After that, complete it. Come on. Till then, let me bring few more questions. Let me bring few more questions. Yes, yes, yes. Probability of A intersection B, have you found? So we will use the formula probability of A union B is probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. This is given to be 0.6, 0.4, 0.3 minus probability of A intersection B. From here we can clearly see probability of A intersection B is 0.1. Now let's draw the Venn diagram. Say this is A, this is B. Now intersection is 0.1. Whole of A is 0.4. So what is only A? Only A. Come on, come on, come on. What is only A? Tell me. Probability of only A is 0.4 minus 0.1. This is 0.3. And what is probability of only B? 0.3 minus 0.1. This is 0.2. Whole is 0.6. Probability of A union B. What is outside? Outside is 0.4. This is the complete Venn diagram. Now, if someone asks me what is probability of A intersection B naught, means A is happening and B is not happening, it is 0.3. Probability of A intersection B naught. Probability of, this is what has been asked, 0.3. A intersection B naught. This answer. By the way, if someone asks me what is probability of A naught intersection B, A is not happening and B is happening. A is not happening and only B is happening. What is probability of A naught intersection B naught? 0. Anything can be asked. Clear? I hope this is perfectly clear. Should we move ahead? Yes, let's not waste time. Picture is not clear. If A is a square matrix, determinant of A transpose is -3. What is determinant of A into A transpose? A is a square matrix, determinant of A transpose is -3. What is determinant of A into A transpose? Come on. Determinant of A into A transpose. It is determinant A into determinant of A transpose. And we know that determinant A is equal to determinant of A transpose, which is equal to -3. So it is -3 into -3, 9. Have you done this before me? Yes? I always give you a little bit of space so that you can do questions before me. Perfectly correct. Very good. Let's keep on doing. Let's not stop. More questions. More questions, sir. Area of triangle with vertices ABC. Area of triangle with vertices ABC. Half into, sorry. Half into cross product of any two sides. AB cross A. Area will be half into modulus of AB cross A. This cross product, which is also equal to half into modulus of BA cross BC. Half into cross product of any two side vectors gives you an area. Yes, maths exam is going to be super easy, number one. Number two, this marking scheme is again going to be very easy. You just have to keep the confidence and revise your notes carefully and solve lot of questions. If possible, solve 1 or 2 sample papers within 3 hours. Generally, students face only one problem. That is, they are not able to complete the exam within given time. So if you practice 2-3 papers in next 2-3 days, you will be able to solve the exam within given time. Generally, people feel that they forget formulae, they forget how to solve the questions before the exam, which is not the thing. You may feel that thing when you are sitting at home, but when you will go to give the exam, everything will come to your mind. You will be able to do all the questions. Don't worry. Okay? You have to do one thing, keep the confidence high. Keep the confidence high. Okay, one step, one problem at a time. Don't rush. Bhagna nahi. Okay. Find the value of k for which this function is continuous at x equals to 0. For function to be continuous, f of 0 must be equal to limit x tending to 0 f. What is f0? 0 पर function की value है k. This must be equal to limiting value. I'm not very habitual of taking sessions on YT. Forgive me if you are feeling that my speed is slow or fast or something like that. But I hope this will be very useful to you. Okay. So these are two formulae which are very important. 1 plus cos x, 2 cos square x by 2. 1 minus cos x, 2 sin square x by 2. Super important formula. Don't forget this formula. So 1 minus cos 4x, 1 minus cos of 4x will be 2 sin square 4x by 2 means 2x. 2 sin square 2x. And let's write it like 2 into 4x. Why 4x square? Because 4x square means 2x का whole square. So sin square 2x upon 2x का whole square, this 2 cancels. Limit extending to 0. Sin 2x upon 2x whole square. Sin 0 upon same 0. Limit extending to 0. Sin 0 upon same 0 कितना होगा? 1 होगा. 1 का square is 1 only, hence k equals to 1. Value of k for which this function will be continuous will be 1. Love you guys. Maza aa gaya when I see the chat box and I see all my students giving answer before me. Perfectly fine. Very good. Please remember, you cannot apply L'Hopital's rule, that is LH rule or L'Hopital's rule. This is how students pronounce it in CBSE exam. You cannot apply L'Hopital rule. You cannot apply any expansion of sin x or cos x in CBSE exam. Okay, always do questions with basics, that is limit extending to 0 sin x upon x is 1, limit extending to 0 tan x upon x is 1, limit extending to 0 x raised to power n minus a raised to power n upon x minus a, limit extending to a. These are the few formulae that you need to apply. I will tell you all the formulae that you can apply. Limit extending to 0 sin x upon x is 1. Limit extending to 0 and x upon x is 1. Limit extending to 0 e raised to power x minus 1 upon x is 1. Log of 1 plus x upon x is 1. and limit extending to a. What is the answer here? Answer of last limit which I am telling you, come on. These are the formulae which you need to use for subjective questions. For any MCQ or objective question, you can use whatever you want to. But for subjective questions, use only this formulae to solve the questions of continuity or limits. Otherwise, your answer will be wrong. Let's move ahead. Let's move ahead. f dash x is x plus 1 by x. We have to integrate and find fx. So f dash x is x plus 1 by x. Derivative of fx with respect to x. Derivative of fx is x dx is 1 by x. Integrating both sides. fx, x का integral x square by 2, 1 by x का integral log mod fx, log mod x plus c. Any doubt you can ask. ln means log only. X square by 2 plus log mod x plus. Done, easy है. M and n are integers, are the order and degree of this differential equation. Okay. M is order of this differential equation, n is degree of this differential. D by dx of, okay. In a question misprint here. Question is misprint. Differential equation was this. This was the differential equation. Question is misprint. Differential equation is this. We can clearly see highest order of derivative occurring is 2 and degree is 1. Why? Power of highest order is 1. Order is 2, highest order, and degree is 1. Hence, order plus degree 2 plus 1, which is 3. Understood? No, you cannot differentiate. If you differentiate, then order will increase. Okay? Question थोड़ा गलत था. या फिर ना क्वेश्चन को थोड़ा अच्छे से लिखना चाहिए. यहाँ पे ये ब्रैकेट नहीं लगाना चाहिए. अगर मैं इस क्वेश्चन को करेक्टली लिखूं, वेट, d by dx of dy by dx का होल क्यूब, ये लिख रखा है. d by dx of dy by dx का होल. Okay, now you simplify this. You cannot differentiate from your own side, but whatever is written you can simplify that. So t cube का derivative will be 3 dy by dx का होल स्क्वायर. dy by dx का होल क्यूब का derivative will be 3 will come on front and dy raised to power 4 है. Sorry, raised to power 4 है. Question it is written to be raised to power 4. So 4 into dy by dx whole cube. T raised to power 4 का derivative 4 t cube. Similarly, dy by dx raised to power 4 का derivative 4 into dy by dx whole cube into derivative of dy by dx. This becomes 4 dy by dx का whole cube now you can clearly see order 2 degree 1 order 2 degree 1 okay this greatest integer function वाला जो symbol लगा रखा था that was little confusing okay do not take this symbol as greatest integer function until it is given as greatest integer okay do not use this bracket as greatest integer until it is written as greatest integer simply t raised to power 4 का derivative 4t cube into derivative of t change rule okay x 3x plus 5y less than 4 3x plus 5y less than 4 3x plus 5y less than 4 let's draw so let's first draw the line 3x plus 5y equal to 4. Let's first draw the line 3x plus 5y equals to 4. When x is 0, y is 4 by 5. When y is 0, x is 4 by 3. So when y is 0, x is 4 by 3. When x is 0, y is 4 by 5. These are the 2 points through which line passes. Hence, line should be something like this. Clear? Now, on one side will give you 3x plus 5y greater than 4. Other side will give you 3x plus 5y less than 4. Now, when you put 0, tell me 0, 0 satisfies this inequation or not? 0 plus 0 less than 4, which is correct. So origin satisfy. This will be the region given by 3x plus 5y less than 4. What is this region? One side of line. Open half plane not containing the origin. Wrong, because it contains the origin. Open half plane containing the origin. Whole xy plane not containing this line. Wrong. This is not whole plane. This is half plane. A closed half plane containing the origin. Why this is open? Because there is no equality. If there would have been equality, it would have been closed half plane. Because there is no equality, hence it is open half plane. Why? Because this line is not included. This is an open half plane. Understood? Containing the origin. Origin is contained. This line is not included, hence it is open half plane. If line is included, there is equality, then it will be closed half plane. Line is not included, open half plane. Important है, याद रखना. Okay, understood? God bless you. Very good. Let's do more questions. Scalar projection of this vector on this. मान लो this is a vector. This is b vector. Projection of a on b. Scalar projection of a on b. Projection of a on b will be a dot b upon mod. Why? What is the meaning of projection of a on b? This is a, this is b. Projection of a on b means this length. What is this length? A cos theta. How to find a cos theta? How to find a cos theta? A dot B upon mod B, which is mod A mod B cos theta upon mod B. This is A cos theta. What is projection of A on B? A dot B upon mod B. On whichever vector you need to find projection, take dot product with unit vector of that vector. A dot B upon mod B, which is, what is A dot B? 3 minus 2 plus 6 upon mod B is under root of 1 plus 4 plus 9, which is 6 plus 3, 9, 7 by root 40. Projection of A on B, A dot B upon mod B. I hope you are able to understand and solving yourself. More important is you solve yourself rather than just seeing the questions. Okay, let us move a little further. Integral 2 to 3 x upon x square plus 1 into dx. Integral 2 to 3 x upon x square plus 1 into dx. Come on. What is derivative of x square plus 1? What is derivative of x square plus 1? 2x. Let's create that. So if I take x square plus 1 as t, derivative d of x square plus 1 will be dt, 2x dx will be dt, x dx will be dt by 2. X dx will be dt by 2. So this integral will become dt by 2, x dx becomes dt by 2 upon t. Now we have to see the limits. When x is equals to 2, this we will do here. When x is 2, t will be 4 plus 1, 5. When x is 3, t is 9 plus 1, 10. Don't forget to change the limits. Don't forget to change the limits. Common mistake, students forget to change the limits. 5 to 10. 1 by 2 log mod t. Limits are from 5 to 10. Half times log 10 minus log 5. That is half times log of 10 by 5. Half log 2. Half log 2, half log 2, log of root 2, half log 2 or log of root. Option C. Don't forget to change the limits. Okay, this is important. Should we move ahead? Easy question on substitution. Boards is always easy, huh? Boards are never tough. Okay. Reversal law. Reversal law याद है? A into B का inverse is A inverse into B inverse. This is what we will use here. This is the law. Hence, A into B inverse का inverse. Oh, sorry, this is wrong. Reversal law means order gets reversed. First there will be B inverse, then there will be A inverse. Order of A and B gets reversed when you take inverse. जब inverse लोगे, order will get reversed. First there will be B inverse, then there will be A inverse. It cannot be A inverse into B inverse. So same way, when you take inverse here, it will be first you will take B inverse का inverse, then you will take A का inverse. B inverse का inverse will be B, A का inverse will be A inverse. Answer is B into A inverse. A inverse into B is wrong. Answer is B into A. Understood? Say yes, sir. Very good question. बच्चों, you have to pay attention. जल्दी जल्दी में गलती हो जाती है. रिवर्सल लॉ में ऑर्डर गेट्स रिवर्स. रिवर्सल लॉ होल्ड्स गुड इन एडजॉइंट, ट्रांसपोज एंड इनवर्स. तीनों में होल्ड करता है ना. ए इंटू बी का ट्रांसपोज, बी ट्रांसपोज ए ट्रांसपोज, एडजॉइंट ऑफ ए बी, एडजॉइंट बी इंटू एडजॉइंट ए, ए बी का इनवर्स, बी इनवर्स इंटू ए. इन तीनों में रिवर्सल लॉ होल्ड करता है. लर्न दिस थ्री प्रॉपर्टीज. ओके, डोंट फॉरगेट. Could we solve more? अरे बहुत क्वेश्चंस हो गए. ऑलमोस्ट डन है. अरे वेदांतु जेई एनलाइट चैनल पे आप हो ही, ठीक है, और ये सब आपको पता है. एंड यू लाइक, सब्सक्राइब, शेयर. ठीक है. थैंक यू फॉर टुडेज सेशन. आई होप यू एंजॉयड द सेशन. वी विल मीट अगेन. We will meet again and solve lot of questions on Friday. Whatever I brought, I have finished all the questions. Whatever questions I brought, I have finished. Vicky, you want to solve more? Jai Mata Di. God bless you. Next time, see you next time. See, I don't have more questions in slides right now. Next time I will bring more than 100. Okay, we have done lot of questions. I hope you enjoyed. These questions will be beneficial for you in boards, and the concepts and the confidence that you are getting with this will help you in JEE as well. We love you. Vedantu loves all its students, all its followers, and we wish you all the best. May your life and exams be as colorful as this holy festival. और भगवान करे you do दिन दुगनी रात चौगनी तरक्की, whatever we call it in English, है ना. You shine day after day, night after night, and you do amazingly good. God bless you. Love you बच्चों. Bye bye. Bye bye.